Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Jane here. If it's your first time visiting, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell so you're not gonna miss our latest Blackpink unboxing videos. If you've been wanting to watch Blackpink's upcoming livestream concert this January 31, join our next challenge by singing Blackpink's Ice Cream song. Just click the link on the description box to download our free MP3 and submit your video as an entry for a chance to win Blackpink The Show Standard Access. Shout out to Shira Makaisa, Kazaya Merchon, Clark Perez, and Rose Ann Parr. Kamusta? Yabusayo to you guys. Thanks for tuning in always and for supporting this channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. Wishing you a bountiful new year and good health as always. Make it your goal to wake up every morning knowing you have a purpose which is bringing happiness to others. See you in the next shout out. Hi guys, now back to the crab dance challenge. I just want you to know that I watched each and every video multiple times. I read all of your letters and thank you so much for the love you've showed. It was very sweet of you guys to send me such lovely emails. And the plan was just to pick top 5, but it was very hard to decide since there were so many amazing submissions. And it really breaks my heart to choose only 11, which I believe there was so much creativity and effort. So enjoy and please vote by typing the number of your favorite crab dance entry in the comment section below. Sending lots of love to my fellow blinks.